LLI, or left lifted increase, is one of several ways to increase one stitch in your knitting. To do so, we go down 2 rows from the last stitch that was made. So here, this one is the last stitch that I knitted. Here is the first row under it, and then here is the second row under it. I only need to pick up the left leg of that stitch, and then I'm going to knit it through the back loop. So in the front here, that's the front loop, and then here, the back strand, that's the back loop, and then I simply knit that. Let's do it a couple more times. So I just knitted 1 stitch. I'm going to go down 2 rows from that stitch. So here's 1, and here is 2. And again, I only need the left strand, the left side of that stitch. And I'm going to insert my right needle to the back strand, knitting it through the back loop. Let's do it one more time. So here's the stitch I just knitted. I'm going to go down 2, here's 1, and here's 2, picking up just the left side of that stitch, and then knitting that through the back loop. And that's how you make an LLI, or left lifted increase.